the RV industry will undergo a long-term transformation. The journey of the future will be serene, unadulterated, and driven by ingenuity. Forget about the sound of a diesel engine and the smell of gasoline. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a cutting-edge all-electric car that blends modern living with cutting-edge technology. This is a vision of sustainable adventure, with a sleek, aerodynamic body intended for optimal efficiency and a strong, silent electric drivetrain. It boasts an amazing range since it is powered by BYD's proprietary blade battery and is based on their cutting-edge e-platform. This vehicle is more than just a camper. It's a zero-emission mobile home that can go you farther than you could have ever dreamed, with an estimated range of over 400 miles. The cockpit first appears to be more akin to a spacecraft than a campervan. The massive spinning touchscreen display that manages every part of the car dominates the dashboard, a marvel of minimalist design. Everything is easily accessible, user-friendly, and completely configurable, including climate control and navigation. Important driving information is shown on a tiny digital panel behind the steering wheel, and you can operate everything using gesture controls and voice commands without taking your eyes off the road. The end effect is a neat, clutter-free area that puts an emphasis on use and technology. The living area of the BYD Motorhome is the perfect combination of elegant style and useful functionality. You may change the area to suit your needs because the design is so flexible. The dining table folds up, the sofa swings out to offer more space, and voice-activated ambient LED lighting changes color to create the ideal ambience. The cabin seems roomy and welcoming because of the abundance of natural light coming in via the wide panoramic windows. Style and environmental awareness may coexist since each surface is made of premium, environmentally sustainable materials. Tucked away in the back is a peaceful bedroom. The primary bed is a full-sized mattress that is cozy and portable. The surrounding area has built-in storage that is deftly concealed to preserve the minimalist look and is intended to be a place of leisure. The amazing view of the stars that the enormous skylight above you provides will make your nighttime stay one to remember. It is a peaceful haven where you may unwind and rejuvenate away from the daily grind. The restroom, which looks more like a five-star hotel than an RV, is a monument to ingenious engineering. It has a clean ceramic toilet, a sleek vanity with a designer sink, and a contemporary water-saving shower system. With built-in lighting and intelligent ventilation to avoid moisture accumulation, the area is roomy and practical. This area is both stylish and useful for travel thanks to the use of long-lasting, premium materials. The BYD Motorhome's kitchen is made for today's cook. High-end gadgets that run on the main battery are ingeniously installed in the kitchen. A huge refrigerator with a freezer, a convection oven, and an electric induction burner are all included. Every pot, pan, and pantry item has a place thanks to the counter's long-lasting, smooth surface and creative storage options. With the ease of a typical house, you may cook anything here, from a quick snack to a lavish dinner.